As a meteorologist here in Vestas, we work with all weather-related aspects of the wind power business. We are providing weather forecasts to several thousands of service technicians around the globe that service the turbines. We are providing historical data and analysis to our construction teams around the globe. And then we are also doing power forecasts for internal and external purposes, as well as a lot of assessments related to the siting process. Growing up close to the beach, we used to have a hot ride on the beach when I was a kid, and I was always looking out to see the weather and the currents of the ocean in the Great Belt of Denmark. For the last 30 years I've been checking the forecast daily, and it was very natural for me to get into it. For the Formula E weather forecast, we use extremely highly detailed weather forecast models around the racetrack to assess especially the temperature and solar radiation, so that the team know exactly how to handle the battery. The current package that we're delivering to the Mercedes Formula E team is, first of all, 20 years worth of data from the Vestas climate library. Then, besides that, we're also monitoring the weather just before the race and during the race to keep an eye out from satellite pictures, radar, if something happens that's not resolved by the weather forecast. The other thing that we're providing is a very high resolution weather forecast over the racetrack that enables the team of assessing in very high detail how the weather's developing from hour to hour over the racetrack before and during the race. Besides the weather forecast models that we're providing the team, we're also trying to assess the uncertainty in the weather forecast models with a very manual approach. We're monitoring the cloud systems, we're checking radar and satellite images to see if there's something that the weather forecast is not really capturing, and to see if there's something that we are missing. There's absolutely no doubt that the future of renewables is hybrid plants. Hybrid plants is a combination of wind power, solar power and battery storage. And there's so much we can learn from the team in their way of handling the battery, especially in different weather scenarios. So I think the learning that we can get from the team is definitely as big as what we can give them back.